Hello everyone, this is Maruf from StudyTube. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make a custom slide using PowerPoint. So you can use it as a poster and as a slide and custom thumbnail and anything you want. So how to prepare it? So firstly you need to click a new slide, and I created a blank slide, and after that you need to insert a shape. Okay, then change the shape fill. Okay, after that you need to right click the shape and select the edit point. So you have found 4 points, they are the corner point, and you can create some another point by right clicking the red line, add point, and these need to be the smooth point. You can tilt it as your wish, so you can up this as a corner, and then you can again up this. So after that you need to create another add point. So this is a corner point is pre-selected, so you need to select as is smooth point. So now you can rotate as your wish. Again this is a corner point, so you need to select as again a smooth point. So you can select this corner point, black point, and up the white point. So I think this is okay. After that you need to select some photo. I pre-selected some photo from Google, so you can use this image. So firstly click the copy image, and then you have to click Ctrl V. So this picture has some background, so you have to remove the background by double clicking this and choose the color option and select the set transparent color. So you select and the background is now removed. You have found some another spot, so you need to remove by cropping the image. So select the crop and the process is done. So again you need to select some photo from Google. You can use insert and text box. So I change the font from Korea. Okay, so text, sorry. So you don't need to again and again do the process, so you can control C, control V. Again control V. So you can now rename sorry, uh, okay. So in this way you can prepare a slide or poster and anything you want. You don't need to use Photoshop or Illustrator. Thank you. Like, comment and subscribe StudyTube channel, and stay tuned with StudyTube. Thank you. See you again.